Hi there, and welcome to Purple DS. Today's topic, General Overview Purple DS Manager. What you see here is the first screen after login. On the left-hand side, you see the apps, the publications, the coupons, and the downloads. That is, on the top overview, everything you can see based on your proper account. The team functionality to work with several people in one team can be logged free on request and will also appear on the left-hand side. Within the download section, you find always the latest versions of the Purple DS Composer as well as of the Purple DS Adobe InDesign plugin. On top of that, you find a starter kit, which helps you very easily to get quickly started with Purple DS. Top left, you find the apps. Within this category, you find all your apps. In that case, an app which called Test 99. By clicking on that app, you will be forwarded to the general overview of that specific app. Here, in the top middle of the screen, you find all the categories of your respective app. That means the overview, the basic settings, content, app design, newsstand design, and further categories like push, analytics, entitlement, dynamic app menu, and so on and so forth. That means within the Purple DS Manager, you are able to manage your app type, the style of the app, the logo, the colors, the used fonts. In addition, you are able to manage by using the Purple DS Manager, of course, your content. That means your content in the versioning, your content if the content is locked free for the preview app or for the release app, and so on and so forth. So what you see here quickly in the overview is you see here the logo of your app, you see the name of the app, you see the app type, and you see the currently used app build template. Down left, you see the build settings and build app. Here you can integrate the build certificates for iOS and Android and Kindle, which you get from the respective stores. After integrating these certificates, you can just build the app for release purposes. On the right-hand side, you see an option where you can download the respective app as a demo app directly to your device. Just use either the QR code, log in with your device directly to the manager and tap on one of the icons, or just send an app link to you or your colleagues or friends. Further, you find the basic settings. Basic settings are settings like the app name, the target platforms, iOS, Android, Kindle, reading page orientation like dynamic portrait landscape, and or the different content fit strategies. Further, before I come to the content, you find settings like the app design. By choosing the basic settings, you can change the logo, so the app icon. You can upload here your own fonts, and or you can just style your whole app, including the newsstand, by just choosing these 7 colors. Within the newsstand design, you can further style your app, so in a more, let's say, detailed manner. We have possibilities to change colors in up to over 100 different settings, and or you can enable something like search or not. So everything which is specifically related to your newsstand design, search, colors, etc. will be configured within the newsstand design menu. Last but not least, you find further menus like sharing, dynamic, push, ads, analytics, entitlement, and so on and so forth. So within the push section, for instance, you can add your push certificates, and then after that, sending push messages directly to your app. Within the analytics sections, you can easily integrate, for instance, here your Google Analytics ID. By integrating the Google Analytics ID, the user interactions within your app will be tracked to your Google Analytics account. Coming to the content section. Within the content section, the first thing what you see is the app type. In our case, it's a newsstand app. Next section is your publications. You can have several publications. In that case, we have one first publication. Just click on the plus icon to add further new publications. Each of our demo apps will come with a demo content, with a demo publication and with demo issues. If you don't want to have them any longer, just remove the content here. Each publication can have several issues. In our case, we do have one first issue. By clicking on this issue, you end up in the settings for this specific issue, like the versioning. Is the issue set free for preview or set free for release? You see the content bundles and the assets like MP3 and MP4. Yeah, that's it. I hope that gave you a first quick overview about the Purple DS Manager and the capabilities you do have. Should you have any further questions, please do not hesitate to contact us or check on our YouTube channel for further specific tutorials. Have fun with Purple DS.